This is the Tecno Phantom X3, a phone that promises flagship-level specs without flagship pricing. Sounds great, right? But after spending real time with it, I've got a confession. It's not exactly what you'll see in the ads. In some ways, it punches above its weight, but in others, well, you might be asking yourself, is this actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. Product overview. So, what exactly is this? The Tecno Phantom X3 is Tecno's aggressive move into the premium smartphone segment, packed with a big AMOLED screen, a beefy MediaTek Dimensity processor, and a camera setup that looks serious on paper, and aims squarely at people who want flagship vibes without dropping $800 to $1,200. Think heavy social media users, mobile gamers, and content creators who want excellent battery life, smooth performance, and capable cameras, all with modern connectivity like 5G. Performance. Under the hood, you get the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus, a 4nm class flagship tier chipset that handles everything from intensive games to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. Apps launch fast, switching between browser tabs and social feeds feels snappy, and even graphically demanding titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile stay surprisingly smooth given the price bracket. Now, here's the thing. In the real world, that power translates to fast responsiveness across the board. No long load times, no freezing when you're flipping between 20 Chrome tabs, YouTube, Slack, and Spotify. But the software layer, Tecno's HiOS on Android, can feel a bit less polished than what you'd get on Samsung or Google Pixel. There's occasional jank in animations and some bloat that you might want to remove right away. Still, for most people who just want speed and smoothness, it delivers. Features and tech. The display. This phone rocks a large 8.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means everything. Scrolling, gaming, videos feels super fluid. It's not just about numbers, it feels smooth. Colors are rich and contrast is strong, which makes watching shows or shooting content more enjoyable. Cameras that punch above their weight. The Phantom X3's camera rig includes a 64-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a versatile ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens, plus a detailed 32-megapixel selfie camera. In daylight, photos are sharp with balanced colors. Night shots hold decent detail thanks to AI processing. And 4K video recording gives you plenty of creative room. For social posts and casual vlogging, this is solid. Battery and charging. You get a 5500 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charging. In practical use, that's a full day and then some. And when you do need juice, hitting 50% in about 20 minutes is huge for busy days. Modern connectivity. 5G support, fast Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, the Phantom X3 has all the basics you'd expect from a phone in this range. That's crucial if you're investing in something you want to last a couple of years. Design and build. Aesthetically, Tecno did a good job here. The Phantom X3 has a premium glass front with an aluminum frame that feels solid in hand, and the curved edges help it sit snugly without feeling slippery. It's noticeable. You don't feel like you're holding a budget phone. Fingerprints do show up, so a case isn't a bad idea. The in-display fingerprint scanner is responsive most of the time, and Face Unlock works quickly under good lighting. Overall, it's a looker that feels more expensive than it actually is. Pros. Gorgeous AMOLED display with crisp visuals. Versatile camera setup for photos and video. Long battery life plus fast charging support. Cons. Software animations occasionally feel less polished than competitors. HiOS includes bloat you may want to disable. Final verdict. Here's my honest take. The Tecno Phantom X3 is one of those phones that feels a lot more capable than its price tag might suggest. Performance is smooth and everyday use, the display is crisp and fun to interact with, and the battery life gives you peace of mind. For gamers, content creators, and anyone who hates charging midday, this ticks a lot of boxes. But here's the thing,
The software experience isn't as buttery or refined as what you'd get on flagship phones from more established brands, and after-sales support can vary depending on where you live. So, if you're a power user who wants every bit of polish, you might still lean flagship. But if you want top-tier hardware without the premium price, and you don't mind a little software quirkiness, the Phantom X3 is very compelling. It's one of those hidden gem phones that surprise you. So, that's my take on the Tecno Phantom X3. Balanced, surprisingly capable, and worth a hard look if you want flagship-like performance without the flagship price. Are you planning to pick one up? Drop a comment below and let me know why. If you found this review helpful, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.